How to delete your wallet on Coinomi wallet. Now if you want to delete your wallet on Coinomi wallet, it is actually quite very simple for you to do so. Now inside a Coinomi Bitcoin or crypto wallet, there will be many other forms of wallet as well, out of which you might want to delete a certain wallet. Now in my case, currently you can see I'm on my default wallet, but you can also add more wallets in this case. So to get rid or delete our wallet, on the top left you can see the three lines option. Just tap on the three lines option there. There you can see the option called default wallet. Tap on the drop down menu, then go to the option that says manage wallets. Here you will be able to see a list of wallets that you currently have. So if you want to get rid of a certain wallet, from the top you can see default wallet. So just tap the three dots option next to it, and over here you'll find the option that says delete. So if you want to delete it, tap on it. It will ask you, your wallet will be lost unless you back up your recovery phrase. So in the future, if you want to import that wallet again, you need your recovery phrase. So if you want to delete though, you can tap on the delete wallet option to remove it. That's all it takes for you to delete your wallet from Coinomi. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.